Let's talk about daily controls. In this video, we will highlight our fruit and veg control sheet. This sheet can be used to track fruit and veg counts daily and to plot veg orders for the following day according to usage. In Pilot Admin, select the fruits, vegetables and dry goods count sheet. We can see here we have two tabs, the first tab being our fruit and veg count sheet and the second tab our dry goods sheet. Any master file items indicated to be controlled under the fruit and veg sheet will reflect here. Before viewing how our stock will interact with the sheet, let's run through what we see here. The first tab allows us to hide and unhide items we do not want visible and active in our dataset. If we decide that a stock item is no longer needed, we can simply right-click on the star for that line item and select Hide. Keep in mind that hiding stock items affects other areas of control where this item might be tracked. If you would like to learn more about this feature, please view our tutorial for hiding stock in the master file. Continuing on, we can see here the unit of measure and the master file item name. We have our opening stock count here and our estimations column here. If this item has been set to be a daily order item in the master file, then we can punch in what we need to order here in the estimations column, and it will populate under the fruit and veg tab in the order column under daily orders. If you would like to learn more about this function, please view our daily orders tutorial. We also have our production and purchases column here. Then we have a total column indicating the total stock count after all these variables have been taken into account. We can then weigh and count our veggies and enter our closing stock counts. The system will then indicate a usage for us here. We can use this usage to plot orders for the following day according to what we may need. As an example, we can see here we opened with 0 tomatoes in stock. During the day, we received a delivery of 5 kgs tomatoes. We also used some of these tomatoes to produce an in-house tomato sauce, leaving us with 2 kgs to spare in our total column here. After service, we weighed our remaining tomatoes and can now enter a closing value. Now remember, this sheet accounts for stock used in production, but we would also have used tomatoes in various other areas of our menu. Now after our closing stock has been entered, we can view our usage here for the day. This sheet needs to be updated and monitored daily for best use. If we neglect to enter closing counts, the system will not record opening stock levels once day end has been run. Best practice is always to make use of daily control sheets like this one, implementing them to the best of your ability so you can successfully report on your business.